Hello. Today, I'll tell you how to start your own hosting agency. The first step is to thoroughly research streaming platforms and their requirements. Before creating a streaming agency, it's essential to conduct in-depth research on the available streaming platforms. You should know the requirements and policies of each platform. Clearly define the type of streamers you want to recruit, whether by gender, skills, or the type of content they produce. Set concrete goals, such as expected commissions and the payment methods you'll use. You need to register on the platform that best aligns with your objectives, following the steps provided by each one. It's crucial to carefully set up your agency profile, ensuring you comply with all the established guidelines. Make sure to complete all necessary details, such as payment information, agency contracts, and terms of service. Recruitment is key to the success of your agency. Create a recruitment strategy on social media and collaborate with other content creators to attract the best streamers. Provide support to your hosts or streamers by offering the necessary tools and guidance. Use management dashboards to monitor their performance and make adjustments, helping them improve, maximize their earnings, and contribute to your agency's success. By following these steps and establishing a solid strategy, your streaming agency will have the potential to grow and generate substantial income in the streaming world. For more information, visit our website in the description of this video.